Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Lamry and I make sewing DIY fashion and accessories. I'm going to show you how I made my Mother's Day shirt. Voila! Hopefully you're able to learn from my mistakes and make an even better shirt. If you like what you see, go ahead and hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. Alright, let's get started.
Hey guys, so this is the design that I'm going to use. And this is what I made. These are my materials, the colors I'm going to use. And this is me uploading my design in Cricut, making sure everything is evenly spaced out and on the mats. Here I am just duplicating the mats 5 times. And I'm going back and duplicating my design 5 times. I will say this is where I made the mistake because I should have just made specific letters in specific colors, but I decided to copy the design 5 times, which is something you don't have to do. So, yeah, I'm just showing you that process. And now we're going to go over to Cricut and I'm just going to make sure all the mats are lined up. I changed the colors so that I can keep up with them. I had to go to the website in order to remind myself how to use it because I hadn't used it in a while, and also for the heat settings. Here I'm mirroring my images. Make sure you mirror your images before you print your design. That way it comes out the right way on your shirt. And then you just go ahead and get started. So I am putting the the heat transfer vinyl on my mats. I actually use Infusible ink here, and you're just going to see me switch them over throughout this process. And I do apologize if you hear my child. That's my baby. I just had a newborn, and she just wouldn't go to sleep. So you're going to hear in this video. Here I'm going to cut it up, and I'm going to take everything, fold it in half, and cut off the pieces that I do not want so that I can merge the other colors onto this one design. And see, this is where I said I mean at this point I just realized, I should have just copied like specific letters and specific colors, so I just wasted a lot of transfusible ink. But, you know, we live and learn. It's all good. So now that I have my pieces cut in half, I'm going to take the specific letter, also fold that in half, and then apply it to that sheet. And that way it will come out to say the same word, but it will be in different colors. I did that for the word small and the word owner. Business is done in one color. It's just gonna say business in black ink, so I didn't need to do that one. So now I'm laying out my shirt and I am measuring out how I want my design on my shirt. I normally measure 2 inches down from the collar and go from there. I also like to lay out the entire design and try to make the sticky parts match so that when I move them, I can move them all at once. And when I apply it back to the shirt after I finish ironing it to set it up, I can just put it all down at once. Here I'm showing you, I'm just measuring 2 inches down from the collar, and I like to try to center the design. I also make sure that it is even on both sides. I'm laying down my protective paper, and then I'm going to go ahead and begin to iron it and heat press. And this is the final review.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Appreciate you guys. Have a good day.